Hi everyone, Steve here from Imperial Light and Magic, and what I've got for you today is a new tool that's literally just arrived. This is, if I can get it into the shot, a spot welder for making up 18650 type packs. It uses nickel strip. I've got a small cut here of nickel strip because I'm going to attach it to the top of this battery. Basically, very straightforward. It has buttons on the top for power, and you can see it's type C charging there. You can also adjust its settings. I literally have done one spot weld with this so far, and it was really good. So I haven't touched any of the settings. You can see there that it is actually quite configurable with the length of time it actually takes to do the spot weld and sort of like build up time, and it also gives you a second delay on this standard setting to kind of basically get the probes in the right place and get the pressure on. So anyway, without further ado, we're going to simply put the piece of the strip on the top. Hopefully this is all in shot for you. I'll change angle slightly, and then all you do is simply press the probes down and it gives you a little blip. I'll do another one on there, and as simple as that, you have a rather nice spot weld. It's nice and strong. It's not coming off anytime soon. Certainly good enough to make up a couple of 18650 packs. So yeah, just wanted to show you that nice and quickly, and very impressed. If you want to know anything more about this tool, where I got it from, I'd be more than happy to let you know. So give me a shout on the usual social media stuff, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now.